Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. Do you need a red pen? Well, these Papermate ComfortMate Ultra pens are a really nice choice. This is a 1mm medium ballpoint pen. It is a retractable click top pen that works really well, and it has a really nice soft grippy barrel to it. So these pens are super comfortable to write with even for long periods of time, and they have a really nice vibrant color. The lines are super clear, and overall these are a really good pen. So I like these a lot, and especially if you work in an office with a lot of people, it's really nice that you can get these pens in a box of 12 so that you have plenty for the whole office. They are affordable and they last a long time, and they're just a great option. So they come in a variety of colors, but if you need a red one, this is a great choice. So I would definitely recommend these pens to anybody who needs a high quality pen that's gonna last a long time and stay really comfortable. And that's my point of view.